take a look at this multiple choice from farhatlectures.com. An auditor is designing a monetary unit sampling MUS test for account receivable. Fair enough. The population consists of 9,800 customer accounts with a total balance of 14.2 million. Which of the following represent the sampling unit in this test monetary unit sampling? Well, here's what you can do at Farhat Lectures. If you'd like, I'm not really sure how to answer this question. Let me refresh my memory about sampling unit in MUS. You would ask AI to explain it for you before you answer. Great. Now you're ready to answer. You don't have to, but if you need to. A, each customer account represent a sampling unit. No, monetary means money. An account is different than money. It's a unit of an account for a customer name. This is what the account is. No, each customer is not a sampling unit. Each invoice included in the population. The invoice is a physical unit. A physical unit is not a dollar amount. So the invoice, basically, invoice is a unit. We're going to count how many invoices, but that's unit. It's not a dollar amount. Therefore, B is out. Same concept, same logic as A. C, each dollar amount in the population. Yes, monetary means money. Dollar is money. C is better than A and B. But let's look at D. D, each confirmation request sent to customer. Confirmation request is an audit procedure, is not a unit. It's not a sampling unit. Therefore, D is the easiest one to eliminate, or should be. Now, on Farhat Lectures, if you don't like the answer choices, you could ask AI to re-explain the correct and incorrect answers in a different way. And if you like the question, you could ask AI, or you want to test yourself more on this concept, you could ask it to create a similar MCQ to test yourself. What should you do? You should invest in yourself. Go to Farhat Lectures, look at additional resources, multiple choice, more lectures, podcast lessons, whether you are a CPA exam candidate or an accounting student. Invest in yourself. That's the best investment you can make. Good luck and God bless.
Want to see more CPA exam multiple choice questions solved step by step? At farhatlectures.com, you will get hundreds of video solved MCQs step by step, including previously released AI CPA questions, previously released AI CPA simulation, in-depth lectures and resources to prepare for the CPA exam, AI tools that's going to help you study smarter, not harder, CPA exam podcast lessons where you can learn on the go. And also you will get the personal guidance of support of Farhat and his team. If you are serious about passing the CPA exam, this is your next step. Visit the website farhatlectures.com, start your free trial, and I hope to see you on the website.